Hi guys, we're going to create another shake. So we have here lemon, orange, cucumber, at dahon ng ampalaya. Ang ginagawa ng tita namin is dito, pinipiga niya to. And then pinapainom sa amin. Pang-immune system daw. So we're gonna drink this. Kasi labas tayo, we need to boost our immune system. Half. Half.
Halo-halo.
You can add Yakult.
Oh, why you didn't put it in I will eat egg. You didn't buy it.
And then let's taste.
Ang kisara. Tapos nag-akambog ng mantika. Ay, ano na kayo? Forgot. Dapat kasi lilis na kayo. Sabi na kang laba.
Meron siyang hint ng dahon ng ampalaya. Pero masarap siya. Oh, ayan.
Let's taste it.
My mom will taste it as well.
May lemon nga eh, with cucumber eh.
Mm.
Masarap
Masarap.
yung lemon with cucumber.
Bitter.
Kasi nga may ampalaya yan, ma.
Mm.
Okay, diba?
It's yummy. It's yummy.